Hello everyone, today we are going to walk you through downloading one of the trendiest and most fun application out there, which is Snapchat. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing first, grab your iOS device and unlock it. Make sure that there is internet access to your device. Then locate the App Store icon, or you can simply search on Application Library. Tap on it to open it. Once you are in the application store, search for Snapchat using search bar at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and simply type Snapchat. And after you search it, you can get various applications, but you can see the Snapchat in yellow icon and press the download button. If you are downloading this app for the first time, then you might have to enter your Apple ID password to verify it. It may take few seconds or few minutes to download it. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you are ready to join the Snapchat community and start snapping away. Thank you for watching our video, and do like, share and subscribe.